Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Calendar app says the server responded with an error on Mac. Solution 1 is refresh calendar. Open the Calendar app on your Mac, then click View menu. Now click on Refresh calendars. Solution 2 is reactivate calendars. First, click on Apple menu and select System Preferences. Now click on Internet Accounts. Select your calendar account that gives you this error message, then uncheck the calendars box. Now restart your Mac. Once you restarted, go to System Preferences and re-enable calendars, then try to open Calendar app to see if problem has been fixed or not. Solution 3 is restart your Mac in safe mode. If your Mac is turned on, then click Restart button, or if your Mac is turned off, click Power button and immediately press and hold the Shift key. Now the Apple logo will appear on your Mac's display. Wait for the login screen to appear. Once the login screen appears, you can release the Shift key. Next, select your user account and enter the password. If your startup disk is encrypted with FileVault, it will be asking you to log in twice. Solution 4 is delete caches. Quit the Calendar app if it's open, then open Activity Monitor and quit the Calendar agent process. Now go to Finder and click Go. This will open the Go menu and then press the Option key and click Library. Click Calendars, then find the following cache files and delete them by dragging to the trash, or you can move them to your desktop instead of the trash. Now go back to the library folder and open the preferences folder. Find the com.apple.icall.plist file. Move this folder to your desktop. Then restart your Mac. Once done, open the Calendar app and check it. Solution 5 is reset NVRAM or PRAM. First, shut down your Mac if it's on. Then turn on your Mac by pressing the power button and immediately press and hold these 4 keys together, Option plus Command plus P plus or. Release these keys when you hear the startup sound for second time or when your Mac restarts. If your Mac has T20 security chip, release these keys when the Apple logo appears and disappears for the second time. Wait until your Mac restarts. It may take 20 to 25 minutes to restart. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.